Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmita, and here we talk about all good things. How are you? Okay, don't get scared because it's so dark around here. It's 6 minutes to 5 in the morning. You can see from the window the lights are seeping in. So it is 2020, of course. Of course, all of us are stuck at home and living our best lives. Sarcasm to the highest point, by the way. So actually I was doing some work and I suddenly thought, why not try to edit some old vlogs? Because I'm majorly missing my travels, and I haven't, obviously none of us have. I think we haven't traveled since March, and today is what is the 17th of July. And I was going through my phone, and I was seeing the vlogs that I've been doing, and sadly a lot of them have actually deleted because by the way, don't get scared, that's Aladdin on my bed and I'm on the floor. Yeah, so sadly I had actually deleted a lot of them, thinking that probably I would never do this again. I don't know, but then when I check back, there's a lot of footage that still are there. So I thought, let me just edit one of them and put it out and show you some of my old travels and just cherish the moments. So today the vlog that I'm sharing, it's going to be in parts for sure. So the first part is what you're going to see right now, and it's an old vlog. It's from 2018. Oh yes, I feel like a dinosaur already, but it was fun and I am so happy to share with you. So in case you are a travel bug and missing all your travel plans like me, then maybe you can take out some time, get some popcorn or cook anything. I mean, we are all becoming chefs in the lockdown, right? So just get something that you love to eat and enjoy and just watch this vlog. Yay, I'm so excited. I cannot even tell you how excited and how good I feel right now. So yeah, I look crazy because I've been working all night. Yeah, it's 4 minutes to 5. Okay, bye. Does it start? Yeah. Hi. Okay, we've just reached Delhi and yeah, we look better doing. Yeah. That's because we're meeting friends, like a couple of our friends are common friends, and we were supposed to meet them for breakfast here, but thanks to Vistara. Yeah, thanks to Vistara, we were going to finally meet them for lunch, and that also I think for barely an hour or hour and a half or a couple of hours, because then we have our train to Chandigarh at what time? 5:15. So we're just thankful that at least the flight is reached on time. We have a little bit of time in hand for a quick lunch with friends. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. So from the airport we're taking the metro and we're going to Shivaji Stadium. There our friends are waiting and we're going to have a lunch. She's always into that boomerang mode. Okay, so right now we've boarded the Kalka Shatabdi, which is supposed to start at 5:15 or 17. What's the time now? 5:15. So it's going to start right now is what we're hoping. We're off to Chandigarh and we'll probably reach there around 9ish, and we'll be staying there for the night. And by the way, I had fire pan. Maybe I'll put the clip before this, after this, I'm not sure, but oh, it was fun. And if you're following me in Instagram, then you've already seen it probably. It was so much fun. So yeah, Delhi never disappoints, even if you're here for a couple of hours and if you're hanging out with the right kind of people, with your tribe, like I say, hashtag my tribe, then it's always fun. Yeah, so yes, right now it looks like we're going to Chandigarh, and we still don't know where we're going tomorrow morning. But maybe by tonight we'll figure out what our plan is for tomorrow and day after. So if you're as random as me, as us, then please keep watching. Chalu करो. Look. So we've reached Chandigarh, and the hotel that we booked is like, we did a Oyo room which is very close to the railway station. So we've taken a private auto, not like private auto now. So we've taken that, and should be reaching in another 5 to 10 minutes is what I'm anticipating, because this place is really close by. And what else was I thinking of saying? Okay, yeah, it's about almost 9 o'clock. It's like 8:40. So a long day. We've been traveling since from 11 in the morning. Rather more before that. I was at the airport by 9:30. Long day and very tired. So day one good so far. I might just check in before going off to sleep, or tell you if there's something exciting happens. And looks like our next plan is working out. Anyways, for those updates, keep watching, because I'm going to tell you before I close for tonight. Hi, good morning, day 2. Okay, so it's 4 in the morning right now, and we are heading to Kasauli. Yeah, finally, that's a place in Himachal. And though we are hearing a lot about landslides and floods and stuff, but we are hoping to make it. So yeah, Madhu's getting ready, and we have one of her friends who would be picking us up, and then we'll probably head there. I don't know how much I'll be vlogging on the way, because let's see how it goes, how interesting, or no, we'll be hopeful it'll be interesting. So yeah, I'll vlog on the way, but just for the start of the day, because I think last night I forgot to tell you about it. So yeah, a new day. So yeah, should be a good one. See you. Hey, hi. Okay, so we've reached Kasauli, and we are putting up at this place which belongs to Mr. Arvinder. Probably I'll get a bite from him later. But it's a beautiful cottage. It's called the Hideaway. It's just opposite to Hotel Dramada, and I was just going around the place. I thought I'll just show you. Are there people? Yeah, I think people are there. Can you guys just say hi from there? There, yeah. So anyway, so that's about it. But the place looks pretty. Like, if you see around, that's where you come down, and that's the hills. It's like a really pretty place. Probably I'm going to show you once I go upstairs. But right now, yes, it's 7 in the morning, and we started, I think, around 4. And yeah, this is where we are. Okay, so technically we came from there, took a spiral stairs. That's this little place out there actually, and we could go down. That's where I just came up and I showed you. This is where we can sit and chill, and that's where I was walking. I know I sound like so cliched, like we're walking and we go. I mean, not really, that's what I mean though. That's what the place looks like. That's everybody out there. This is pretty much the living. Yeah. Okay, I'm doing my vlog. Don't get nervous. It's alright. I'll edit these parts. It's okay. Okay. Oh, how mean is that? Okay, this is like one of the rooms, and this is our room, so I can show this to you in a better way. So that's that, and this is where it looks like. We just opened the window, and how pretty, how pretty. So yeah. Something to le lo. Kuch nahi. Okay, so it's like 4 o'clock, yeah, and so it's 4 in the evening. So it's 4 in the evening, and finally we've got out, hopefully
like we'll check out something around, and yeah, I think it's the weather has changed a little from what we seen it in the morning, which was pretty sunny. Right around 8:30 we were like, oh god, it's going to be like so sunny and all that, and right now it's like really cloudy and it's pretty. Okay, so I got to show you, I have a driver who's driving us around. So yeah, let me just दिखा दो.
Pretty fancy, huh?
हाँ, what a fancy driver, no?
Like you got a fancy driver, huh?
Like seriously. So he doesn't even know like proper parking. So we're managing, you know.
We're actually not even parking. We're just like this is.
Okay, whatever. Just go with the flow. So we just come out for a drive, it seems, because out of 5 of us, 2 of them are like getting ready. So we thought we'll just get some tea and some hot Maggie and come back. So we've ordered for tea. Pushpak and Madhu are there, the tea stalls. I just thought I'll take a little walk because the trails are so pretty. You can see that. So these are places where you know, I like to take walks, and I have, what can I say, I had a friend, couple of friends actually, who would really enjoy these walk trails, but life happened, and fortunately not everything stays. So yeah, but then, you know, the vibes that you get from people and things, so I miss them when I do these walk trails, because, you know, whenever I see these places I'll be like, oh, if she was here, if he was here, or she was there, they would love this place, and you know, that kind of a thing. Oh god, my face looks so broad. I mean, not even kidding. But yeah, nature walks are beautiful. Like I find, especially in places like these are my kind of nature walks. The trails are pretty and stuff, and you know, it's not very high. Like this particular hill station is not on a very high altitude, which is why the valleys are not very steep, and they're more like valleys than mountains is what I feel. But very nice. Like, look at that, guys, and I'm like all alone here, all alone. Ah, beautiful. Also, I have this huge thing for flowers. I'm sure a lot of people do, but it excites me. Like, flowers make me feel like a baby. It makes me react like a baby. Look at the crazy weather. It's so foggy. And I don't know why. I have a feel that I'm lost, as usual. But no, maybe that's the right way because I see cars. Okay, yeah, this should be the right way. Okay, so we are going to the Mall Road, the Heritage Market, Old Heritage Market, or city, whatever. It's pretty sunny, but the clouds have cleared a little, but it's drizzling now and then. So let me check out the stuffs.
Yeah. Don't you want the samosa thing?
I do, but where are we going?
You're going to get something else.
Okay, okay, I'll just be around then. Tikki.
It smelled really good, but
The look of it was like
yeah,
just chemically, you know.
Honestly, a bun samosa.
So it's just
See if the samosa is inside the bun, right? I mean, that's the fun of the bun samosa. Understand? No.
I totally do.
Where that's and that one is that lady Maya Mem Saab wali. That lady beside Pankaj Das. That's Khushwant Singh. No? Sanjay Dutt.
Oh my god, this is Shah Rukh Khan?
Yeah, that's Shah Rukh Khan. Javedi. It's a really old place, it seems. No? And there's something called Kodak's Berry Chrome. Very old place. Okay, so we are going towards the Christchurch Kasoli. It's evening time and the walk and stuff is good. I've been doing bites, people are all coming there. This is the church. I don't know if they're going to allow me to take things inside, but yeah. Some shooting. Okay guys, okay, do you see that ice cream? That was mine. He just snatched it from me. Wicked you, but it's okay. Have fun.
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madhu. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yeah.
Blow the candle. Woohoo! Good morning. We're like all looking dead. The birthday girl. Happy birthday, please, yeah. But we were like so tired. We went to sleep like very late last night, and it's almost 8:39 right now, and we're still like procrastinating. Yeah. Well, the day is about to begin, and today we are planning to go to Haridwar at night, but we have the entire day, which I think we're only sleeping in. I don't know what are we doing, but probably up from here we're going to go to Chandigarh, and from there we'll be taking a bus to Haridwar tonight. I don't know what updates I'm going to do today, because it doesn't look like this time itself we did not think that we would be doing a very hectic trip. That wasn't the intention anyway. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah, we just wanted so much of peace and we have got it.
Life, you know, happens. So yeah, I'll check in later and see if we are doing anything today. Okay, so we're leaving this place where we were putting up the hideout, whatever. Okay, so we're basically leaving this place, and we're going to go to Chandigarh from here, and then to Haridwar at night. So right now situation is such, probably we're just going to go to Kasoli, just take a round, and then go to Chandigarh, because it's around 12:30, and yeah, so signing off from here. Yeah, this is supposedly one of the very pretty trails to walk up. It's about 4.5 kilometers. So we have this cafe called Cafe Mantra, because we did not get food in Alicia, and this looks pretty much like a traveler cafe, and I'm supposed to look at the lens. So yeah, and it's like pretty cool. Quite a cool place it seems like.